Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for Ruby Tuesday. My project for this week is these two standard size Traveler's Notebook inserts. And for these I've gone with sort of a purple theme. I'm just like I'm like into purple right now, you guys. If you've seen me on Instagram, I dyed my hair purple. Like that is the level of like into purple that I am right now. So yeah, I'm gonna set this video to music because I'd like to do a not chatty flip through this time. I've actually recorded this voiceover like I don't know how many times now, and I'm just like not finding the right words to describe what I want to say about these, so I'm just gonna set this to music and just let you enjoy looking through these. I will say that there was two things I wanted to note, and that is that, you know, they're of course 100% of the digitals are from Ruby and Pearl XO. You can find all of these digitals in her shop on Etsy. I will obviously have that link in the description box so that you can go to that and shop all the products that I've used. But I've made use of so many different kits to come up with these two, and that's something that I wanted to know is I really just love mixing and matching all of the things that she has to offer, because I always find something in each kit that can be used for the one project. So it's just fun to like print everything out and then kind of like let your eyes look at everything, and you'll see what can go into your project, especially if you have sort of a theme, or for me it's usually a color scheme in mind. I like to just kind of pull from everywhere in order to pull off this cohesive sort of color scheme, and that's kind of what these two are, is sort of like a purple and green, and different shades of purple and different shades of green sort of vibe. So anyways, I've used many digitals from her kits in order to put these together, as well as vintage and antique ephemera as usual. And the second thing I wanted to say before I let you go is you'll see in these journals I've used one of her newer kits called Her Golden Dress. And that kit is so beautiful, first of all, but Heather once recommended in a video to try presentation paper. The one she recommended was the Epson presentation paper. I think I got it on Amazon. It wasn't very expensive, and I printed that kit on that paper, and I think it looks amazing. Like, I was literally shocked when it came out of my printer because it looked just so vibrant and so gorgeous. So I'm just gonna recommend that as well, because I just really love the way that it looks. I wouldn't use it for everything. I would just use it for like images like that Her Golden Dress one, where the dress, the gold yellow color of the dress, which you'll see probably shortly, is just so vibrant. Try that paper out. I think you'll like it. I'm pretty obsessed with it, and I went to our Ruby and Pearl XO design team group chat and had to like rant and rave to Heather about how great her recommendation was, because yeah, that paper is just fantastic. So what else can I say about these? I've basically, like I said, there's an example of just like different digitals from different kits that I've put together to just create like the feel that I'm going for, and that's just kind of how I like to work. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just let you enjoy these. They'll be available in my shop as you're watching this video back, so that would mean that they're available now. And another reason why I have to go is because my husband is waiting for me to go watch House of the Dragon. If anybody is into that, it's like the Game of Thrones, but like the new series called House of the Dragon. And it's Sunday night, and I want to go hang out on the couch and relax and watch that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will talk to you soon. I have another flip through coming out this week, hopefully, if I can get to it and get to the voiceover. So hopefully there's another video to look forward to this week. So happy Ruby Tuesday, and yeah, talk to you guys soon. Bye.